The matter of athletes having underlying health issues has again been brought to the fore, even as a late medical result has caused the Jamaica Scorpions to be reduced to 12 players for their opening round clash against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes. It comes after Cricket West Indies made a recommendation to withdraw Alwyn Williams from the clash on medical grounds. Jerome Foster tells us more.
After bowling 5 overs during the Leeward Island Hurricanes' first innings foray in the opening session, the Jamaica Scorpions were hit with an emergency situation as batting all-rounder Alwyn Williams was replaced based on what Cricket West Indies termed as medical reasons. The 29-year-old was replaced by leg spinner Abhijay Singh, who finished with 3 wickets. But losing Williams 1 hour into a match has been the hot-button topic. Jamaica Cricket Association Vice President and Chief Medical Officer for CWI, Donovan Bennett, outlined the problem.
You know, he had a condition. There was a condition that we were concerned about, right? And we needed to do further tests to ensure that the player did not come to any harm, something like that. But the fact of the matter is that out of abundance, it's a caution and concern for the player's life and his future, right? You know. I mean, his life and his future is bigger than cricket.
But it is an unprecedented situation for a player to be removed during the first match of a season, especially given that there is a planning period.
All I can say to you is that most of the franchises have not sent in their medicals to us on a timely basis. As a matter of fact, as we speak right now, some of the medical reports from the various territories are still outstanding. Jamaica did submit their medical, but it was too late. By the time the medicals were submitted, the team was basically on its way to Antigua. So by the time the decision was taken, by the time the medical results were seen by the relevant authorities who do the assessment, the players were already in Antigua, and the guy has been in fact declared and started a game.
TVJ Sports understands that the JCA has a policy for screening players and checking for health conditions. Back in 2022, Kevin Virgo, father of youth representative Kev Andre, admitted that a result from those tests had implications on his son not being selected for a team.
None of the anomalies that the JCA's doctor suggests that he has were found.
But it's not just locally where health is prioritized, according to Dr. Bennett.
We have in the past ruled out a couple of players who were told not to start a game, or they weren't in the type of condition that would make us comfortable for them to play cricket. And in most cases, we would then do further investigations, and at the end of the day, depending on the results of that, then they'd be ruled fit or unfit to continue. So this is an exceptional case we have here.
Williams is expected back on the island shortly and will be replaced in the squad by Jamaica Defence Force opener Tevin Gilzine. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.